Hi, my name is Nick and I would like to tell you about a big giant wave. This wave can go up to 100 feet tall and can even crush down your city. Okay, let me be clear. This wave is called a tsunami. And this wave is very, 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 very interesting. People think it might be a wave that can destroy something. Like, for example, a city. And if you were gonna be in the way of a tsunami, you're like gonna be dead because you're gonna get crushed. And a tsunami can make a lot of destruction for houses. And if you were out of your house, you're probably gonna get more damage. But if you were in your house, it would be a better idea. But only if you were really in your house. So, next thing we have to talk about is that things don't really go well when a tsunami is near, because tsunamis are so big, they can reach some heights all the way up to 120 feet sometimes. And that's what happened to some of the dinosaurs. Because when an asteroid clashes right down to the earth, it made a big explosion, and then ash covered all over the place. Tsunami going up to 100 feet tall and smacking everything in its path and away. So that's what might happen to you. But good thing we're in California, because California is a dry desert, like Arizona and stuff like that. And if you were really gonna see a wave, you'll probably see some things more like some specific, not desert place, because these guys are very massive. And if you would really want to stand a chance of tsunami, you need to pack a lot of stuff to keep you safe. And a tsunami occurs mostly when it has an earthquake, you see. And sometimes it also occurs when a volcano erupts. Volcano is erupting. That's what causes tsunami. And sometimes also earthquakes and a lot of other destruction. And tsunamis can be dangerous. But do you know something dangerous than a tsunami? Well, nightmares. Yeah, I know. Nightmares are scarier than tsunamis, because if you have a tsunami in your nightmare, you're gonna be very terrifying and scared, and you have a bad night. But good thing you don't have to dream about tsunami in California, because, as I said, it was a desert. And now tsunamis are waves, and they're made of water and form from, volcanoes. And volcanoes are what let tsunamis come up. Well, that makes sense, because tsunamis are big. But if they're really big, who's bigger than a tsunami? Well, if you put Mount Everest on the ocean, it'll be a teeny bit taller than a tsunami, because some people think it's 300 feet tall. That's even taller than Statue of Liberty, or even the tallest building apartment. That's very large. But if you compare it to a super volcano, it's going to be a teeny bit smaller. And even though tsunamis are water, they don't really cause a lot of destruction as lightning, or should I say hurricanes or tornadoes do. Just because they're just water, you're just going to get sick up, because they're just water. It's not like, something like, storms, or should I say wind, or, like massive destruction, not like water. If it was water like a tsunami, it would be fine because it doesn't really destruct, because it only destroys cities, which makes sense. But the powerful wind of mass gives it the ability to destroy the city.